Hey, what is up YouTube? It's Cody Carpenter here with the YouTube channel Cody Knows. In the previous video, we went over setting up the Business Manager account. And as you can see, I have that pulled up right here. It's called Cody Knows Second. And in that video, I'll have a link in one of the cards up here or here. We connected a page and we created an ad account and added a payment method. So our Business Manager is good to go. And I figured the next best video to create after this Business Manager setup video is just an overview of the best landing pages that I have used personally on Facebook and Instagram that gave me the biggest return on investment. And I'm going to cover 3 different landing pages and 3 different niches that worked very well for me with CPA and affiliate marketing. And stay tuned to the end to find out how you can get these 3 landing pages yourself. So first of all, why I wanted to cover landing pages right away, it's because landing pages are what make or break an affiliate or CPA marketer. If you have a bad landing page, your users are going to look at it, and if they see it looks crappy or whatever, they're gone. You have just a few split seconds to actually engage your customer and make them stay on the page and ultimately end in a conversion. So everything has to be professional. Another thing, if you don't have the landing pages set up properly, that can lead you to get your account banned very fast. So you don't want to be making those mistakes. So I'm going to show you the 3 different types of landing pages that I've actually ran, like live campaigns that I've actually ran, and kind of show you what it takes to have a great landing page. And I use ClickFunnels to host all my landing pages. So the first one is for Instagram story ads, and I've had a lot of success with these simple little quiz style landers. And as you notice, when we go through these 3 verticals, or these 3 landing pages in 3 verticals, I use this quiz feature a lot because it can set you apart from your competition and it's super engaging with the audience. So this one is win a $1,000 Walmart gift card, shop for free, answer the questions below to qualify. This was a max bounty offer. I ran this on Insta stories and Facebook stories, and I ran it all on mobile. So you saw the desktop version, but this is how it looks on mobile. Looks very professional, nice and easy, clean. These are all the different types of phones and how it looks on there. iPhone X. So it looks very nice, and it's just a simple 2-question survey. How'd you hear about it? Where do you live? United States, other. So that's as simple as it gets. As soon as they click one of these 2, they go to the offer. So that's number 1. And my second style landing page is for e-com offers. And this one in particular is for OneTac, and this offer is available on Max Bounty and ClickBank, I believe, and a lot of other affiliate networks. It's a very popular flashlight product. And for these ones, I like to run on mobile as well. So we'll take a look at the mobile version. It looks very similar to the previous one, as in the simplicity of it. And it's got all the necessary things right here. See if you qualify for a major discount. How'd you hear about OneTac? And I run these simple e-com landers only when I have a very engaging video ad. So for this example, I ran I think it was like a minute 30 long ad on Facebook newsfeed showing how durable and how bright this flashlight is compared to other flashlights. So they get the majority of their information on their phone and on that video ad. And then when they click learn more or shop now, they go here. It's simple, it's fast, and you can see if you qualify for a discount. So let me take you through that. So Facebook newsfeed, heard about it in there. And then you can just ask very broad questions like what's your age range, 30s, where do you live, United States. Congrats, you qualify for a buy one, get one free. Let me go to iPhone 5. And then they say, awesome, I want this limited time offer. No thanks, I don't want to claim my limited time only discount plus free shipping. So when they click that, they go to the OneTac offer. So that was number 2. And then number 3, I've made a lot of money with this one. Free quiz reveals the best diet custom made for you. So this is one of them that you have to be careful running weight loss products on Facebook. I've heard so many horror stories of people running weight loss products the wrong way on Facebook and Instagram and getting all of their ad accounts shut down. But with this, this makes it easier to run a weight loss product because this quiz contains 11 or 12 questions. This is a more advanced quiz style landing page, and they go through and it's just age range, how active are you, what type of products have you used in the past. I ran this to a Nutrisystem offer. As you can see, I already went through like 3 or 4 questions, and it's only a quarter of the way through. This is a very, very engaging quiz lander, and because the quiz itself is so engaging, we can keep the rest of the landing page simple. So that's the third vertical for health. And as you can see right here, this is my special offer to you guys. These are the 3 quiz landers, and I have all these set up in one funnel on ClickFunnels. And if you guys want to get access to these 3 quiz landers that I've spent thousands on testing and perfecting, I will give access to these 3 quiz landers for free if you sign up for ClickFunnels under me. So I'm sorry, but this offer isn't available to existing ClickFunnels users, just because I've spent way too much time and effort on these 3 landing pages in 3 different verticals, so I want to get a little value out of it. So if you're not a ClickFunnels member and you want to sign up, you'll get a 2-week free trial, and as soon as you sign up under my link, and I check to see if you sign up under me, I will share this funnel with you, and all 3 of these will go right into your account. And another thing that I wanted to point out here, I'll go to the sweeps offer real quick, is that everything is done for you. And what I mean by that is that this is where a lot of people get confused with the terms of service, privacy policy, and the contact us. And having this disclaimer right here, which is essential to keeping your ads approved and not running into problems. And then, okay, so here's the term of service, privacy policy, contact us. I have all these 3 pop up in a click pop. So right away, if people actually click through the terms of service, privacy policy, contact us, I went through and I designed this for you guys. Click the terms of service right here. It'll bring you to the first one. And then all you have to do is replace the bolded enter website with your website. So if your website was Cool Gadgets, you would just enter coolgadgets.com.net or whatever website, and the service operated by Cool Gadgets, because brand name is different from the website. And this is just one of those templates that I've used in the past and I've had no problems with, no issues. And right down here we have the privacy policy, and each one of these little tabs up here brings you to the privacy policy and the contact us and the terms of service. Same thing. All you have to do is just enter your brand name and your website. And then for the contact, brings you all the way down to the bottom. If you have any questions or concerns, by email, enter in the business email address. And if you don't have a business email, you can just enter in a personal email address. So this keeps you compliant. And if you guys already have your own terms of service and privacy policy, you can definitely edit this. If you do sign up with me, I'm going to be giving you some bonus videos on how to edit these Quizlanders and all that good stuff. So that is one of the best deals that I could ever give to you. If you sign up for ClickFunnels, the 14-day free trial, I'm going to share this funnel with all 3 of these landing pages in it, and it will become your own, and you can customize it to your liking. So that's it for this video. If you want to sign up for ClickFunnels under me, I'll have a link for the 2-week free trial option in the description below. And once you sign up, get a hold of me, comment on YouTube. You can go to my personal Facebook account or my business Facebook page. Send me a message, say, Cody, I signed up for ClickFunnels under you. I want my share funnel. And then I will send you the share funnel. It's that simple. So that is all I got for this video. Just covering the importance of having compliant and professional landing pages when running Facebook and Instagram ads. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, smack that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.